Nature is full of strange and bizarre phenomena that continue to amaze us. Today, we delve into the mysteries of the natural world and explore some of the most unusual occurrences that have left scientists scratching their heads. Our journey begins with the mesmerizing phenomenon of bioluminescence. Imagine walking along a beach at night, only to witness the waves glowing in an ethereal blue light. This enchanting display is caused by tiny organisms called dinoflagellates, which emit light when disturbed. Next, we encounter the mysterious fairy circles found in the deserts of Namibia. These circular patches of barren land surrounded by lush vegetation have puzzled scientists for years. Some theories suggest termites or underground fungi, but the true cause remains unknown. Moving on, we witness the incredible migration of monarch butterflies. Millions of these delicate creatures embark on an epic journey spanning thousands of miles, from Canada to Mexico. It's a breathtaking spectacle that showcases the wonders of nature's navigation. In the depths of the ocean, we encounter the mesmerizing phenomenon known as bioluminescent algae blooms. These vibrant displays of glowing blue and green lights create an otherworldly atmosphere, illuminating the underwater world in a surreal fashion. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning phenomenon of the northern lights. These dancing curtains of colorful lights in the night sky are caused by solar particles colliding with the Earth's atmosphere. It's a celestial spectacle that has captivated humans for centuries. Venturing into the animal kingdom, we discover the incredible camouflage abilities of the octopus. With the ability to change color, texture, and shape, these intelligent creatures can blend seamlessly into their surroundings, becoming masters of disguise. Our exploration concludes with the mysterious phenomenon of ball lightning. This rare and unexplained occurrence involves glowing orbs of light that appear during thunderstorms. Scientists are still trying to unravel the secrets behind this fascinating and elusive natural phenomenon.